Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a guild on Discord. So it's important to make sure your Discord is up to date, otherwise you may not have this feature and it's currently not out to everyone, so just make sure your Discord is up to date. But the first thing you do is you go to your server, you have to be mod or your server, you be the owner and you go to server settings like so, where you go down to the options that's actually called guild settings. Now we are setting up the guild right now, so you actually just want to select the games you want to play, whether it be Apex Legends, Valorant, etc. Once you have done that, you can actually select any playables, whether this is a casual guild competitive or just very casual. You can actually choose, and once you have done that, you just want to select traits. Now traits are basically tags, the kind of server that this is, whether it's for beginner friendly, whether this is a competitive server or not, or it can just be like super chill server. Once you have done that, you can actually just choose what you want to talk about in this guild. Now these are basically topics like bullet points, whether you just want to talk about gaming or like general or like anything else along that line. And as you can see, when we click on write description, this is basically a description for our guild. Now this is the first thing people will see when they're considering joining our guild. Now for mine, I have put this, for example, that can be yours, or you must love Valorant, that could be one, and you can just add up to 146 character description, and that's basically description for the first thing people will see when they join your guild. Now, guild badge, what they do is, it's basically just a cover, a guild tag for people's character names like server roles on Discord. Now, when you actually choose one, I recommend just choosing whatever one looks the coolest, or they could actually have meaning. Different colors have different meanings, just like server roles. And finally, we've got guild profile. Now, guild profile it's actually more like server roles, where you can actually choose badge and actually just show what people rank is in this server, whether it be a god, okay person, or just a casual player on this guild server. Now, when you have done that, you can actually just go to the join application option, and you can actually add as many questions as you want. For example, I've done this and maybe they have to say yes to this question, or it can just be a completely loose-ended question that they have to answer to actually join the server. And you can do as many questions as you want, but it's basically just a general guideline for when it comes to people joining the server, and you as a server owner or whoever is a server owner can review it to see if you want them to actually be part of your guild based on their server application in their answers to the question. And as you can see, when I exit out, just saving my work, you can actually just see my guild profile right here, and you can invite people to this guild, just easy as that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.